Hey, this is Sreehari from Mr. Phone and this is the Vivo V11 Pro. And today in this video, I am going to tell you 11 things that make the Vivo V11 Pro so damn unique. Also, at the end of this video, we have a very big surprise for you. I'm sure a lot of you know from the thumbnail and the title, but we have that surprise, and to know more about that surprise, you have to watch this video till the end. In the end, I'll give you all the details for that. But with that, let's jump into this video. Before getting into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do that because you'll get a whole lot of cool tech videos on our channel, and hit the bell icon right next to it so that you get notified for all the videos that we put out. The first thing you notice in any smartphone is the design, and there's no doubt that Vivo makes some good looking smartphones. The Vivo V11 Pro continues to impress with its slim, sleek design with a curved back, making it easy to hold with one hand. But the one design element that sets the Vivo V11 Pro apart from the previous phones is the new Starry Night edition. This edition has a striking black and blue hue, which could easily become your wallpaper, but sits at the back of the phone and is inspired by famous Van Gogh's favorite work. Does this excite the artist in you? The Vivo V11 Pro comes with a 6.41 inch Super Amoled display with an aspect ratio of 19.5:9. Most tech geeks know that the AMOLED panels are known for its deep blacks and punchy colors. Also, an AMOLED panel is unheard of in this price range, so that's definitely an advantage. That's not it though. The Vivo V11 Pro has extremely slim bezels as well. This enables a massive screen to body ratio of 91.27%. Now, the notch has literally polarized opinion far and wide. Some hate it, a few love it, and many folks don't really care about it. However, there's no doubt that the tiny notch on the Vivo V11 Pro is going to be as non-obtrusive as possible. Therefore, it won't trouble you when you're watching videos or playing games. Once you start using it, it'll become a part of your peripheral vision. The Vivo V11 Pro has another trick up its sleeve. Unlike most phones in this price category that come with a physical fingerprint scanner, the V11 Pro comes with a special in-display fingerprint scanner. In fact, this is the 4th generation fingerprint scanner, and being the new sensor, it is 10% faster than Vivo's previous generation phones, and it is more secure too. Vivo is not stopping at the in-display fingerprint scanner. You also get an infrared based face scanner, which makes it one of the most secure face scanners that you can get in Android phones. What this means is that apart from recognizing your face in daylight with ease, the Vivo V11 Pro's face scanner can easily recognize your face in the dark as well. So the V11 Pro comes with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 660 SoC. This chip has a built-in artificial intelligence engine, and it's also called the Snapdragon 660 AIE, and it can enhance a lot of your daily activities with the AI software built in. As for the specs, you also get 6 gigs of RAM and 64 GB of storage with the option of expanding the storage further using a micro SD card. The V11 Pro has 2 cameras on the rear with a 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel setup. The primary camera uses a sensor with a pixel size of 1.28 micrometers and an attached lens with an aperture of f/1.8. Furthermore, the camera has dual pixel sensor, which improves the low light sensitivity for better pictures in the dark. Also, it comes with dual pixel autofocus that will help you lock focus very fast at just 0.03 seconds. Vivo's rear cameras have mostly impressed us with the image quality. Therefore, we are excited to see how the V11 Pro performs. It is a proven fact that Vivo makes phones with some of the best selfie cameras. Why should the V11 Pro be any different, right? The V11 Pro comes with a 25 megapixel AI selfie camera stuffed to its gills with cool AI features. It gets a new AI face modeling algorithm which individually treats your face features and subtly adds enhancements without over beautification. The AI intelligence prowess of the V11 Pro also extends to its rear cameras. One of our favorites is the AI portrait mode. Using this mode, you will be able to frame your subject absolutely perfectly by guiding you to hold the phone in the perfect position so that you get the best portrait shot. This is one of the few AI features that actually really enhances the way you take your pictures. There are other AI modes as well, like AI Portrait, AI Backlight HDR, AI Low Light mode, and AI Scene Recognition, all of which will make it easier to take the best shot every time you want to. Vivo extends the prowess of the Snapdragon 660's AI engine to gaming as well. The improvements to the AI game mode ensures that you have the best gaming experience on your phone. This will help you play PUBG for hours and hours on a stretch without worrying. Using the all-new auto gaming mode, you can keep all the games running in the background even when the screen is locked. This ensures that you never lose your progress even if you accidentally close the game. So those were the 11 things that make the Vivo V11 Pro so damn unique. This video was sponsored by Vivo. Thank you so much, Vivo, for sponsoring this. And they've also partnered with us for a giveaway. So that was the surprise. I'm sure you've seen the title and the thumbnail. But we, along with Vivo, are giving away a brand new Vivo V11 Pro. So I'm sure you've seen a lot of giveaways where there are 15-20 steps. At Mr. Phone, we do it in style. Only 2 steps. First, subscribe to the Mr. Phone channel. And second, go to the comment section below and comment your favorite feature of the Vivo V11 Pro and why you should win the Vivo V11 Pro in this giveaway contest. So those are the only 2 steps you need to enter this giveaway. This giveaway will run for 2 weeks. Go in the description below to find out the exact date where we end this giveaway. And before that, if you are watching this video, comment section, go to the comment section, tell us what your favorite feature of the Vivo V11 Pro is and stand a chance to win the Vivo V11 Pro. With that, we come to an end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Sreehari from Mr. Phone and I'll catch you in the next one.